Hey, I'm Janak. Welcome to the channel. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur trying to find the right software for your business, you're in the right place. I've spent years working with accounting, bookkeeping, and business software, and on this channel, I share what I've learned along the way. We'll look at tools for accounting, bookkeeping, e-commerce, automation, and running a business more efficiently. You'll find honest software reviews, comparisons, tutorials, pricing, and practical tips to help you figure out which tools are actually worth your time and money. We'll cover popular platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, Shopify, and plenty of other business tools. I'll also keep you updated on new software, features, deals, and trends that could make running your business a little easier. My goal is simple: to help you choose better software, save time, and make smarter decisions for your business. So, if that sounds useful, subscribe to the channel and stick around. I'll see you in the next video.